Oh my God, it's flashing green. It's flashing green now. Green and red. The one on the right. That one to the left's not an airplane, Dad. That's a UFO too. I know. I know they're right on top of each other. I'm looking at them. And it's going up now. The one on the right's going up. That's not a goddamn airplane. That's an orb right there. Look how it just got really fucking bright. It's flashing red. Red and blue. Red, blue, green. Oh my God. Go grab your phone, please. It's flashing green, red, blue. That's a goddamn orb.